So, hello everybody. Welcome and Happy New Year. Happy New Year, successful year, healthy year, and everything what you are wishing for, that this comes true in 2023. My name is Mark. I'm one of the regional directors. Today, a bit limited with my voice. I hope it is functioning over this webinar. So welcome everybody and let's get it. 2023, a lot of new thoughts, wishes, beginning of the year. That's tradition, and what can be better than to have the right opportunity, the right business, the right timing, and massive upcoming projects, products, services in 2023. I'm excited. It will be a year of many events, also special events, cinema events. So a completely different approach here with our opportunity, and I will introduce it to you right now. So welcome if you are brand new, if you are the first time here on this kind of webinar, and we're warming up step by step for this amazing 2023. So in the beginning, our traditional disclaimers. We are not an investment opportunity, financial company, or anything like that. We are a hardware technology-based direct selling division, and with massive partnerships, amazing products. We're talking about minting of cryptocurrencies, but based on real-world projects. So amazing projects, external projects, opportunities to produce something over many years to come, staking rewards on one side, minting on blockchain, on smart chain, on an amazing ecosystem, decentralized ecosystem, and fantastic real-world projects. That is our background. So then the second disclaimer is a traditional cryptocurrency disclaimer. Yes, this first generation is especially very volatile, a lot of misleading informations, companies out there. Since 7 years, I observed it. Also today, I received new announcements, and unbelievable, really unbelievable what people creating, nonsense. Also today I saw a project at the presentation, guys. This is an IQ test. Really, this was an IQ test. If somebody can count 1, 2, 3, so many nonsense in one presentation I never saw in 30 years direct selling. This is a volatile market, and that's why only 2 to 3% of the population are into this market. Really, 2-3% of the population are familiar with cryptocurrencies. 97 plus are not familiar. And the question is, how can we reach out also to those people, the majority of the people? And that's why we need a completely different approach. We need a completely different concept, a new category to target 100% of the population. And everybody is looking for more money, for serious products, for income possibilities, more time, more fun while working, and all of this we can deliver here with this opportunity. So the world we were prepared for no longer exists. Corona, COVID time behind, hopefully, and right now big crisis worldwide, war worldwide. So negative times, dark times, but a lot of opportunities. Digital revolution is going on, and we are right into it. So next generation of products, we have different tech categories where we are based on education tech. Will be new generation of products with academies, with everything what is needed for to set the new standard in this category. Health tech, and the major category is blockchain technology. That's what we will discuss, especially today. Enter the multi-trillion-dollar market with our master partner Zeniq technology. So we have different companies we're talking about. And also this is one of its kind. It's not only a funny networking company, like 7-8 years coming up, thousands and thousands. No, it's a developing company. You cannot buy anything by Zeniq. You cannot invest by Zeniq. You cannot buy a product by Zeniq. They're only developing over 100 people working in Zeniq, over 75 developers globally, and administration, everything like in other companies, and massive shareholder, Sheikh Zahid bin Hasha Al Maktoum, yeah, from the royal family in Dubai. He is strategic partner and shareholder. And yeah, amazing blockchain, smart chain, exchange ecosystem. And in 2023, more masterpieces will follow. Yeah, so that's the first partner. Yeah, and the second or the third company by side of Safir, of the direct selling division. Later in the end of this presentation, more about the possibilities in the affiliate system. The second by side of Safir is Ramzik. Yeah, so Ramzik Zeniq ecosystem. Ramzik is the operator, yeah, the consultant company, yeah, for companies, for projects, yes, not for customers, for big customers, yeah, for business customers. And this is very important. And this ecosystem will see thousands of projects, yeah, and with the upcoming next masterpiece in the first half of 2023, we will see many thousands of projects based on this ecosystem. Yeah, software development, technology, research, distributed ledger, NFT, metaverse, all the licenses are also here held by Ramzik, and yeah, consulting and marketing for the Zeniq ecosystem. Yeah, 360-degree ecosystem. That's what they have developed so far. Yeah, own decentralized blockchain. Yeah, it's the first layer. The second layer is the own smart and cross chain. Started last year in June with a hackathon, with a SenCon event. Yeah, from I think 1,400 requested developers, 200 chosen developers are on this hackathon, coded in the first 24 hours alone over 40 blocks of the smart chain, with software solutions, with projects in any category. Yeah, so this ecosystem, first layer, second layer, smart chain, blockchain, and tokenization platform, NFT marketplace, Launchpad is coming, next SenCon in Rio de Janeiro. So a big developer community on one side, a big community of users with Safir. On the other side, nearly 600,000 people are already in this community, and a big power if it comes to projects, to attract projects, also for an ecosystem, yeah, for smart contracts, for token projects, for NFT, yeah, big marketplace here, and you will see colorful, yeah, fantastic stuff, digital art, sport brands, other categories, yeah, so amazing things. So we have the first few projects on the smart chain running already. Yeah, I will tell you a bit more in the next few minutes about this one of its kind, very fast, revolutionary transaction fee, a fraction of a cent, cheaper than Polygon, then Avalanche, then Phantom, Ethereum, no question about this, yeah, very expensive, Binance Chain, Bitcoin, yeah, so this is really revolutionary, and you have a lot of masterpieces in the portal. We have two portals, yeah, the application, the Nomo application, with the wallets, you can imagine, yeah, own token standard on the smart chain. A lot of tokens will be running on the smart chain, will be listed in the Zeniq swap and in the upcoming beta launch of the big decentralized exchange in the first half. And imagine the world will be able, every single one of you will be able to create his own token within minutes. Yeah, so easy, like nowhere in the world. Yeah, this will bring a lot of projects, a lot of tokens on the Zeniq smart chain, a lot of transactions, means a lot of burning of gas fee, yeah, and a lot of support for the house coin of these ecosystem, the Zeniq coin. Yeah, so will be decreasing in supply, will be increasing in market cap and in price development with all these activities, with all those transactions on the Zeniq swap, on the Zeniq DEX, and also gas fee burned on the Zeniq smart chain. Yeah, EVM compatible. You can copy paste every Binance project, every Ethereum project with massive speed, up to 15,000 transactions per second on the smart chain. yeah, scalable up to 50,000, yeah, and the cheapest transaction fee you can imagine, yeah, more than 1,000 times cheaper than Ethereum. Staking category, minting category, Zeniq debit card, crypto fiat, top up possible here, and access to marketplaces like Launchpad coming soon. NFT marketplace is ready to go. So we will see exciting products and services. And this application, for sure, one of its kind, has so many features, and more will be integrated, updated. Yeah, we are right now in the beta testing of the Zeniq Messenger, decentralized messenger. Yeah, and the messenger where you can send within seconds here, cryptocurrency, receive cryptocurrency in the decentralized messenger, in the decentralized application. Private key is with you. You are the holder and the owner of all your assets, and you can stake, you can mint, you can have exchange possibilities, yeah, everything, swap, everything is inside this application, and more functionalities will be added. So one of its kind, all in one application. And also if it comes now to our minting projects or staking projects, yeah, you can easily receive those stake rewards or not stake rewards, the received profit rewards or the minted tokens inside your application. You can swap inside the application, and like I said, a lot of features will be added. Yeah, so here comparison example on swap. You will have dollars to pay for a single swap. Here for 10 cents roundabout, yeah, you can swap 160 times from A to B. Yeah, this is unbelievable. If it comes to send transactions, yeah, send 20 tokens, or all the tokens, the projects based on the Zeniq smart chain, yeah, you can send thousands, yeah, for cents. Yeah, it's amazing. Revolutionary transaction fee and massive speed and accessibility in the application, yeah, of Zeniq, the Nomo app. Yeah, this is a bit about the swap. I mentioned already you can connect with MetaMask. Sorry, a bit scratching in my heart, but here a bit about the NFT marketplace. Yeah, you can see here some features already. Art will be big, and sport brands, any kind of category. NFT is a huge trend, and we'll see massive surprises. Same with the launchpad of Zeniq, yeah, with the most attractive startups from all the ZenCons happen in the future worldwide. Asia will come now in Rio de Janeiro, so a big developer community will bring a lot of projects into this ecosystem. And this is where they had prepared this ecosystem for. This is the tokenization trillion-dollar industry, yeah. And you can tokenize everything what you can finance, so any category of real estate, of art, of patents, licenses, contracts for work, solar plans, NFTs, so everything you can tokenize. And we have already the first tokenized cinema movie. Yeah, we will come to this in a few minutes. Yeah, we have massive project in the category carbon trading. Yeah, so massive supported internationally by the industry nations. Yeah, so big projects and more to come in 2023. And very soon, I expect in February, a blockbuster, yeah, a blockbuster minting project, guys. Yeah, unbelievable, with production, with economy, a Tesla story, guys, technology. Yeah, you can feel it, you can touch it. And this is the difference to all those Mickey Mouse ROI MLMs, yeah, what you can find out in the last 7 years, coming and going, yeah, promising heaven on earth, and yeah, disappearing after 6-8 months. So this is the comparison between Bitcoin mining and Zeniq community minting. Yeah, so mining is a proof of work, massive expenses in electricity, insurance, space for the rigs. Yeah, and you focus on one coin, in that case Bitcoin, 7 transactions per second only. And imagine without these expenses, yeah, you can start minting, yeah, with the underlying hardware in the Zeniq community, the Safir community, with the Zeniq hub as the underlying hardware. And yeah, you don't have electricity costs. If you use the in-house minting, yeah, you are free. You don't need to renew every 2-3 years your hardware like in Bitcoin mining. Yeah? So you can mint for years to come the house token of different real world projects. And I will give you some examples today to understand the mechanics, yeah, the advantage, and also the long-term character. If I ask somebody, do you like to produce something a few weeks, a few months, or even many years? Everybody will say, I like to have many years. Disadvantage. Exactly that is what we are doing. Long time minting. Yeah. So for years to come, you produce, yeah, in a daily average, yeah, with a specific minting factor here, the house token of these specific projects. Yeah. Smart chain unlimited project tokens. So you can have multiple income streams, multiple productions over time, and you are flexible to exchange anytime the minted token of these projects. Yeah, so you're not frozen for 2 years or something like that, what I see all the time. Yeah, so you are yeah, flexible to do whatever you like, but it makes sense, yeah, to participate midterm, long term also from these projects. Yeah, so these are the running projects in the category blockchain tech. Yeah, we have here 3 minting projects and 1 staking project. Yeah, Avinoc staking is a solution for the private jet aviation industry. Yeah, it's a booming aviation industry. The normal industry is suffering, yeah, after Corona, through Corona, massive losses. Yeah, and people flying not like before anymore. Yeah, looking for security, looking for separation. So Avinoc is a, yeah, $1 billion business, in my opinion. Is a big staking program, and they created a blockchain-based platform to connect all the private jet owners in the world, all the operators, all the travel agencies, yeah, to make it possible, to make it as a mass adoption, yeah, possible for customers to use private jet flights to optimize private jet industry. And this is a big, big market and massive project. So then let's go into Tupan. Regardless is the first tokenized movie in the world. Yeah, cinema start in February. Netflix contracts, Amazon Prime, airlines, TV stations, yeah, and it's an industry movie, yeah, really a movie, and yeah, important to understand the mechanics in a few minutes. Okay, city, it's a real estate project, and so you will see a lot of projects: real estate, movies, entertainment, and Tupan is a huge project based on carbon credits. Yeah, Tupan minting, get part of saving the earth. It's about the Amazon rainforest. Yeah, so the most important ecosystem of the world in compliance with the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. And imagine you could solve our environmental problems altogether, not you only, yeah, and still earn with that. Yeah, so that is an approach. Yeah, do something good and get recognized. At the same time, yeah, this is the point, and the CO2 certificate market, carbon trading market, is increasing year by year. It's going in the next years to $1 trillion trading volume every year, supported by the government's monetary incentive for companies to reduce their carbon emissions. Yeah, those that cannot easily reduce, like airlines or factories or container ships, or thousands and millions of companies worldwide, they can still operate, but on a higher financial cost. They need to pay, they need to invest into carbon credits, like a penalty, yeah, for producing greenhouse gases. And on the other side, projects like Tupan, yeah, who are doing reforestation, planting trees, buying Amazonas rainforest land again and again and again, they're getting recognized with those carbon credits, and they can trade them on the world markets. And on the other side, the industry companies need to invest, yeah, to operate further. So this is the investment fund behind Forest AU Green LLC, yeah, purchase of land with intact rainforest and reforestation of destroyed habitats. And that gives a lot of recognition in CO2 certificates, multi-millions, yeah, constantly over the years, yeah, for doing that job. Yeah, buying more land, planting trees, but in an intelligent way, not only planting trees and building green up, also producing at the same time important products, necessary products like medicine products, yeah, agriculture productivity, cosmetic, yeah, things we have on our daily needs worldwide, yeah, and price explosions in all those categories. Then 67 plus patents. Yeah, patents, we will see very soon, yeah, what kind of patents, yeah, project by project. You will learn more. Yeah, drone technology, massive drone category, different categories. There's Tupan 300, there's Tupan 1000. Yeah, there's a drone 7-meter long, 800 kilometer per hour fast. Yeah, can transport 400 kilogram. Yeah, so big demand worldwide. Organ transportation worldwide. Firefighting, forest firefighting. So imagine observation of the Amazon rainforest alone, but every country had problems with fire in the forest, like California, Greece, Germany, and many others in the last years. Yeah, you saw this in the news. So big demand for all the functionalities. You will learn more about these things. They have a lot of projects inside this Forest AU Green LLC fund. There's a business-to-business sector. It's an SEC, United States SEC regulated investment fund. Yeah, not a Mickey Mouse company from Timbuktu. Yeah, so the man behind is diplomat ambassador of the criminal court in Den Haag. Yeah, so the highest court in the world for human rights, environmental rights, children's rights, MBA in strategic business management, owner of her own investment bank, and also in the task force of the United Nations for blockchain, for regulatory framework, and much more. Yeah, we can talk hours. SEC regulated investment fund, and here some of the projects. Right now here currently the Tupan community token. And then New Moses is about fishing farms along the Amazonas River, Tupan 300 drone technology, and you can see there are accredited investor categories, there are business-to-business sector. So we are only a part, participating and bringing funds into this investment fund, and the Tupan community token is the fund is the mirror of the Tupan community token. That's amazing. So we're participating from many activities. Amazona River, 80 swimming hospitals will be built along the Amazona River. So a lot of projects in a huge investment fund. So this is Tupan 1000. It's not coming to the map. It was on the map. I was there at the time. You can see here the drone and capacity, speed, fantastic. We have different categories, and we will also deal with the drones itself in our hardware store. So real products for the world, real mechanics for the world. So imagine you are minting the house token of this fund with all those features, with all those projects in, and with a demand created by the profit made from the trading of the CO2 certificate, constantly buying more land, constantly getting more recognition, multi-millions over the years, more and more land, more and more CO2 certificates, more and more production, more and more projects, and buying back the tokens from the exchanges, from the profit made in the CO2 certificate trading. So this is independent from the supply and demand. What Bitcoin has, Ethereum has. They have no factory, they have no project making profit in carbon trading, or with a cinema movie profit, or with real estate rental, supporting Bitcoin, Ethereum. They don't have this mechanic. They are simply depending on the customer, and many customers buying, selling those coins and tokens. This is the difference. We are talking in any case of our minting categories of real world projects with production, with profit in different markets, in different industries. We are minting the house coins of those projects, and the supply and demand will be influenced by those mechanics. And here in the case of Tupan, we will be able also to exchange our token not only against other crypto pairs, like USDT or Zeniq or whatever, also against CO2 certificates, one of the most sought after products in the world for carbon trading. Yeah, so you can also soon exchange your Tupan community token against CO2 certificates, and you can trade them on the world markets like others, yeah, trading other financial stocks, instruments, whatever. Yeah. So let's have a look how we can get our hands on these Tupan minting nodes, and there are two possibilities. The first is you own already a Zeniq hub, yeah, the underlying hardware, the carrying hardware. Yeah, it doesn't matter if this is a Zeniq hub 01, yeah, or a housing hub 01. You can buy, in that case, here, this Tupan node for 998 euro. Yeah, so amazing price advantage. If you have the carrying underlying hardware, then 998. And if you are new, you don't own a Zeniq hub by yourself, you get this Zeniq hub as the underlying master node provided by Zeniq in these pools, and you only have to pay 1,298, an amazing price also here. Yeah, I remember last year when I started, I paid 1,500, yeah, for a Zeniq in-house hub as an example. Here now 1,298 for a Tupan node. Yeah, and for a share of this node, you can start with 100 euro. Yeah, 132 people sharing one node in a minting pool. 16 people sharing 116 node. Yeah, for 135 each in a minting pool. Yeah, many pools, yeah, like this. Many pools with 8 people sharing, yeah, each 220 a node. Yeah, a quarter node 400 euro, or a half node 700 euro. A full node Tupan is producing in average, if you start today, roundabout. It's always moving, but we have a sales halving. The sales halving is recognizing if I buy today this node, I will have around about 90% minting factor, means 90 Tupan token in the daily average. Daily average means not that I get every day 90 token. Yeah, I can have also a few days per month where the 4 phases running. What makes this minting so special in case of Tupan? It's a specific technology, yeah, like in nature. You plant a tree, yeah, you put water on it, yeah, first the pollination, then the irrigation, then the blooming, and then the harvest, the fruits coming on the tree, right? And so it works in this minting technology, the algorithm, and you can see also in your back office under Tupan, yeah, you can see the trees which are planted on the rainforest land. Yeah, you will see non-stop upcoming new trees. You can see already in the forecast, yeah, after a few days, few weeks, you will see more and more, yeah, the forecast, what the specific tree is giving you in form of fruits, yeah, in form of tokens. Yeah, so it's a fantastic average what you can produce, yeah, and the minting factor for new customers is decreasing with each 2,000 sold minting nodes. Yeah, then if you bought, you are out of the sales halving, so you don't have to take care of this. Yeah, the sooner you start, the more higher your minting factor will be. Okay, so these are the possibilities. Yeah, a half node, yeah, then for sure around about 45 in average per day tokens, and a quarter, and then the half of this, and 1/8 the half of this. So a lot of tokens over time. Minting is running for many years. Yeah, halvings you will see on the next slide. Here, the sales halving I explained already. Yeah, minting factors going down for the future customer. For the future customer, each 2,000 sold nodes by 1% only, and the time halving is that what is left after you bought already. No sales halving anymore. That's only for the future customer. The time halving is reducing year by year your minting factor floating over 12 months, over 52 weeks, yeah, by 50%. Next year, 50% floating. Not on one day, like Bitcoin, floating slowly but slowly, step by step, in little steps. Okay, so in summary, you get a lot of tokens, yeah, depending on your entry point, 40, 50,000, yeah, over the time with one node, yeah. So, and imagine only 10 cents, only 30 cents, only 50 cents. We're not talking about hundreds and thousands of dollars price development. We don't need, yeah, but this number you produce, and you produce over the next 10 years, 12 years, but the next 4 or 5 years are most important, but you produce the majority of these tokens depending on the halving. Okay, that's amazing. And more amazing is this, what is now coming up in 2023 with our events, and cinema entertainment will be a big topic also. Yeah, in February. The first events are starting. The cinema start is in 25 countries, fixed already. I will show you the countries, and this is the first tokenized movie in the world. And yeah, it's a prototype, guys. Yeah, it's not only about this movie, it's about the prototype. Many will follow. Hollywood is producing in Mexico, in Thailand, you know, but the expenses are too high. Corona crisis, financial crisis, recession. Yeah, Netflix, all those entertainment companies down. The stocks are down. The series are canceled. The movies are canceled. The productions are canceled. Yeah, so imagine this funding model also. Yeah. Liquidity providing model, yeah, for entertainment industry. And imagine this example, Top Gun with Tom Cruise, yeah, a few decades ago, as an example only. Yeah, you can also get Terminator, Titanic, or all your favorite movies, and check what was the cost of the movie and what was the movie gaining over time. Yeah, so look at this, 100 million costs, yeah, and gain 1.5 billion US dollar. Yeah, so that's 15 times, yeah, what the movie gained compared to the costs. Yeah, so this is only an idea. Imagine blockchain was available at that time in the 80s, late 80s was the movie coming out. Yeah, so and imagine there was a minting, yeah, possible with a house token of this movie, yeah, or the house token of Titanic, of whatever your favorite movie is. Yeah, and imagine over this house token and specific mechanics, yeah, like in Tupan, here a bit different, you can participate long-term from the success of this movie, yeah, or music. Yeah, when last Christmas, 1982, 40 years ago, every year in the top 10, in the top 5, top 1 in the charts, yeah, in many countries worldwide, yeah, making money since decades. Yeah, imagine there's a house token, yeah, getting the profit, mechanics, yeah, to increase the supply, to decrease the supply, increase the market cap. That's the right way. Yeah, and the price development is amazing. Yeah, so movie about one person. It's a legendary network marketer from Europe. 33 years in the industry, ups and downs, really everything what a movie can has. Yeah, it's a movie with everything, like James Bond parts, and family drama, and everything what the person can go through in life. Yeah, it's entertaining 100%, and it's showing on the other side, yeah, the dream of network marketing, the dream of getting a passive income, reaching the goals, yeah, realizing the dreams, yeah, it's possible. Doesn't matter what comes in difficulties in your life, you can do it. Definitely, it's an industry movie like Wall Street, for the Wall Street. This is for network marketing, and we have more than 1 billion direct sellers worldwide, and many others. They will follow the dream, yeah, and realizing the dream with Safir and Zeniq, and these are the first 25 countries, yeah, where this movie will be shown. But not only this is important, yeah, it is a tool to invite people in the cinema and to show them how to participate from industries they are always dreaming of, they are always looking at, but they never participating from. Yeah, this is very important. We will have galas all around the world. We will organize cinema events, red carpet events, and at the same time, we will talk about the opportunity to participate from the trillion-dollar industry, tokenization. Yeah, here the first gala list, February. Yeah, Turkey will be there, Germany, yeah, Paris, Madrid, USA, and also countries like many of you are from India or Pakistan. So it will go around the world in 2023. Yeah, and you don't need to wait so long for this. Okay, that's regardless. And look at the mechanics. You have the SPV company, yeah, getting all those profits from the ticket sales, expected 20 million tickets, really conservative expectation, 40 million views on Netflix, Amazon, contracts are there. airlines and also TV for sure. Alone in India, in Turkey, in this area, yeah, there will be millions of followers and millions of visitors in the cinema, and then worldwide it will attract a lot of people. So that's the movie. And look at this, we are minting with the underlying hardware. Yeah, same like with Tupan, the Tupan add-on here, the regardless add-on node producing the regardless token. Yeah. So, and all those profits here will go to the SPV company, and the SPV company will buy back the regardless token constantly from the market. Yeah, so there will be merchandising profits on top. Yeah, there will be potentially a second part. Yeah, potentially you are a part of the second part. Yeah, so there will be series. Yeah, Netflix. The film was on the most famous film festival in the world, in Cannes, in France. Yeah, so this is a big thing, and yeah, amazing technology. Yeah, add-on regardless, and same like by Tupan. If you own the Zeniq Hub by yourself already, you can add on a regardless node for 998 euro. Yeah, and you can produce here, or you can reserve better in this case, the pre-sale condition of right now. I must check 106 or 105% minting factor. Yeah, in a few weeks, the minting will start. Yeah, after week by week, this minting factor is decreased 1%. Yeah, by 100%, the minting will start. If you are buying this week, minimum 105% is your reservation, and you will start 105 tokens in average per day. Yeah, in production. Yeah, if you start next week, it will be 104. Yeah, the week after it will be 103. Yeah, so every week 1% minting factor down in the pre-sale phase. Yeah, this is only for this phase. By 100%, normally the minting is starting, and then the customer who's buying at this time will start with a 100 token average. Yeah, here per day. So regardless, minting shares, same like in Tupan, 100 euro. Yeah, the smallest unity here, 135, 116, double production for only 35 euro more, so 100 euro. I cannot recommend. For 35 more, you have twice the number of tokens produced here in the daily average. 220, yeah, 1/8 share of a node, a quarter for 400, and a half regardless node for 700 euro. Yeah, by Tupan we have 100% commissionable volume in our affiliate system, also for the ranks, for the career, for the bonus. Yeah, so here we have fantastic 90%, yeah, a real world project, and 90% commissionable volume. And we have a third project, but what I will show you today in a different category and different industry. So halving the same, every 2,000 sold nodes, 1% minting factor down, and the time halving is reducing year by year this minting factor by 50%. Each year 50%, but running for more than 10 years. But important numbers you will produce in the first few years, alone in the first year, in the first month. Yeah, thousands of regardless tokens alone with one single node. Okay, so this is Andreas Hofer architecture. This is Austria. Yeah, real estate paradise, Switzerland, Austria, Germany. Yeah, strongest market in case of value of a real estate, and this is a kind of a project profitable, yeah, rental market with supermarkets, with restaurants, and with the strategy to rent business to business. Yeah, so there are worker space rented out. Yeah, the big companies, they have employees going out to the supermarkets, yeah, in the provinces to deal with the customers or with branches. Yeah, so this person, Andreas Hofer, is dealing here since many years in this industry. There's a big demand. That's why this project is created to satisfy this demand. And yeah, like I said, restaurants, also one of his successful business categories. Yeah, very profitable. Yeah, very high market. And yeah, it started already, yeah, with the first steps here construction, and yeah, same kind of mechanics. Yeah, we have again the SPV company, we have the project, which is in that case yeah, in progress. Yeah, it's not finished, it is in progress. The movie is finished, it's coming in the cinemas. Yeah, Tupan is buying land nonstop, is creating CO2 certificates. Yeah, so you have projects which will be produced, will be funded in that model, and others, they are ready. Yeah, they have other mechanics, they have other strategies. Yeah, so here the real estate projects, and from the rental income, from the profit of the supermarkets, restaurants, etc. Yeah, the token, the CD token, will be bought back from the market. Yeah, so also fantastic mechanics, and real estate has a real value, and in that case, very nice value. Yeah, brand new, in progress, and will have long-term, yeah, fun for those who are into this real estate project with a CD token minting. Yeah, this is 60%, yeah, commissionable volume, yeah, compared to 90 by Regardless, 100 by Tupan. Yeah, that you understand this also. For the commissionable volume, for the ranks, for the commissions based calculation, yeah, from 10,000 volume or the sales, it will be 60% counting for the career ranks. So Zeniq Hub, same. If you own one of these hubs, you can buy for 998 a CD node, and if you don't own a hub by yourself, you can easily go in this pool category, and you can buy for 1,900, not 1,298. Here in this minting node, and the shares starting by 100 euro, 135, 220, quarter, 400, and 700 are half CD node, and also the same pre-sale. Yeah, so same halvings like before. Each 2,000 sold nodes, 1% minting factor down for the new customer, only. Yeah, so then the time halving is reducing 50% year by year. And yeah, that was the overview. I see in this presentation we don't have the Complan involved. It's a new presentation. So we have a fantastic affiliate system, guys, with 3 massive income streams. And we have a new office upcoming in Dubai, 147th floor, in the Burj Khalifa. Yeah, the highest office in the world, the most spectacular office in the world. Complan is giving you an up to 15 level, yeah, paying uni-level plan, 10% on all your personal customers, 7% on the second level, 5% on the third level, yeah, 4%, etc. Yeah, so fast earnings and a massive rank bonus, and rank achievement bonus plan, all with accumulated sales, guys. Accumulated sales. Yeah, people are shocked sometimes. Big leaders are shocked sometimes from this idea. Yeah, to bring everyone in this possibility to go on the run. Yeah, without any pressure, without any limit. Yeah, to achieve rank by rank. Yeah, some sooner, some later. Yeah, and if I tell you, it starts with a 300 euro for the first little key position you can make in a week, in 2 weeks, if you are part-time, yeah, in a month, yeah, easily with 7, 8 customers, yeah, something like that. Yeah, here 100, they are full node, so a mix of that. Yeah, the second 600, the third 3,000, yeah, rank bonus, yeah, 9,000, 15,000, a diamond, another 40,000. It's already 68,000 euro for a diamond rank with accumulated sales. Yeah, then another 80,000, another 150,000, another 300,000, another 500,000, yeah, and 1 million by gold diamond, and 2.5 million by double gold diamond, guys. Yeah, and that's not the end of the line. There are 3 more ranks with higher rank bonuses. Yeah, you have all the time in the world. You have massive projects non-stop upcoming into these product categories: minting, staking, yeah, fantastic hardware projects and products. Yeah, so then also education, yeah, of its finest. Yeah, blockchain, NFT, to understand all these digital categories and to be updated and to be ready for the future. Yeah, so in my opinion, a new category, yeah, not compared to anything. Yeah, we have a developing company, we have an operator for companies, for projects, and we have the customer creator, yeah, Safir, as a direct selling opportunity, and with that, a perfect mix, yeah, and approach for everyone, yeah, companies, projects, customer, everyone, okay? Long-term project, real-world projects, and the most advanced comp plan, highest paying comp plan with accumulated sales, qualifying you for the massive rank bonus I ever saw in this industry. With that said, have a nice evening. Looking forward to see you soon with a lot of updates, a lot of news within this month, within the next month, a lot of projects, a lot of events, and stay tuned, yeah, for the next time. Thank you for being here. And again, have a fantastic 2023, healthy, wealthy, and excited for your family and yourself. And hope to see you next week, Monday, same time, same channel. Bye-bye.